thin that lace is. Okay guys, you know they always come through with the packaging. Lovely textured box. Girl. Like it's just such an experience to open your package from RPG Show. Oh my goodness, look at that color. And of course they sent me a lot of goodies. So I have some conditioner, wig caps. Okay, it's like a velvet headband. Information about the hair. Here's a sleeve to store my wig in. Let's look at the wig. Really natural, pretty golden brown. This is a frontal wig, 13 by 6. You see that long, deep middle part. You got combs, adjustable straps, and all of that. Ooh, look at this natural hairline. It look amazing. I don't have to pluck my knots. I don't have to bleach my knots. None of that. Let's get straight into it. I mean, straight into it, girl. Using Ghost Bond adhesive. Let me know. Take a little makeup before I cut it. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, really? Okay, your girl is done. Like it's so natural, so light, so fluffy, so airy. The texture is to die for. The color bomb. Baby hair where? Nowhere. Scalp action. Here's the length. Baby, who am I? Who am I with this hair? Side part me. Alright you guys, a couple days later and I'm ready to tackle this wig again. I did go ahead and wash it. Look at my little baby head. I cut them entirely too short. So this time when I install it, it's going to be a glueless unit. And I'm going to go ahead and prep it tonight so I can put it on tomorrow. Alright, you see I put it on my mannequin head. My main goal is to press everything back. Because I'm not using any glue for this install. So it has to be flat, flat. Get them short little baby hair out the way. See? That quick and easy. I'm gonna do it the side part again. Put it right here where my swoop was at. Let me flatten out this top part so I can see my part. Maybe I can do a nice deep swoop. I put it in between my legs. And you see like the tracks start about right here. You see the closer I get to the top and then the part starts to go back. Okay, now it's flat, flat. A little bit more, just on the edges. And now my edge melt band. Okay, and now my scarf. Homegirl, ready for the night. Cover that back. All right, and I will see y'all in the morning. Alright you guys,
get my cornrows over
and I'm washing clothes, so that's what you hear. Here is my wig. She has been sitting pretty for about 3 days now. She flat, girl. Wish me luck, cause I don't be doing the glueless. Y'all know I be gluing my bad boy down. Wow, look how good it looks. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at that. So the only part that's kind of like, this part is flapping and this part is kind of flapping, but for the most part at the top, it looks really good. Okay, so the only product I will be using is my wrap lotion. I'm just gonna put it on my hairline, and this should help the lace like melt into my skin as well. I'll go ahead and swoop a little bit behind my ear, just pull that out. And now, my wrap band. Okay, so I'm finally done. Oh my God. Y'all, just took me a minute to like do my makeup. Let's see. Okay. Wow. Look at this side. I did that. Okay. This is it. This the look. Glueless. Look how thin that lace is. I feel like, woo! Fly girl 1, fly girl 2, but I got what you can do. But my name is Tyreek and I'm a fly girl. In fact, my name is rock my words that fly like a butterfly, spin like a bee, and that's why they call me TT. Go TT, go TT. I love it.